Hey everyone, Jason here, and welcome to Single Property Websites. In this demo here, I'm going to show you how to build a single property website. I'm going to show you how to customize some of the features in here and how to completely make this your own single property website. So let's get started here. So hopefully you've already watched my other video, the welcome video, and you should have your address up here, but if you did not, it's very simple. So basically what you're looking at here is if you click on the Customize tab, you can actually go in and customize your header directly from here by going directly into the header field and then going into header logo, and then you can put your address. Right from there, and then you can click publish. Good to go. Very simple. So the navigation, if you add anything fancy to that, you can also edit that through the customize field, but these are built to function as a one page. So when you click on it, it's meant to drop to the area, so on and so on. All right, so let's go directly up to the top and let's really take a look at this here. So to get started, you're going to click on Page Builder. And as the Page Builder loads, we have a basic theme built in here. So if you want to check out the other themes, go ahead and click on the plus tab up on top and go over to Templates. It's the third one over. And you're going to see that there are the templates built in here with different types of layouts. So that's homepage layouts. We also have content layout, and as we grow, we'll be adding different features to this. But if you go over here under homepage layout, let's grab this one here, and we're going to go ahead and just replace the layout. We'll replace the layout altogether, and append will make it add it to the bottom. So this is a different type of layout. Still the same functionality, but different type of layout. If we go back up here, we can go back up to the pine, which is actually what we have. And we're just going to start with that theme there. All right, so to go ahead and edit, what we're going to do is we're going to, as we hover over every item, basically this is a front-end editor. So we can click inside right here, and we can make the change right from there. So you do have full control. If you go through these, you can see that all from here, they're already built out. And if you click through the different tabs, you're going to see the different elements that you have full control over. So if you want to make this incredibly simple, just click on the elements. They're already ready to go. And if you want to make this a little bit more customized, then you can go ahead and change up almost all the aspects to make it completely yours. So that's really your choice. Everything's built directly in here. And when you like it, go ahead and click save. If you don't like it, cancel it out. So at any point, if you have made progress where you like, you can go up to the top and you're going to click done. And you're going to either click discard if you don't like the changes that you've made, or publish if you like it. So I'm going to go ahead and just click publish, and now it's live. So now I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to click on Page Builder. So from here, as you see, if I just move this, now I can actually change that exactly what I want. So everything is always the same here under amenities, galleries, videos. But let's go in here and let's drop in a new gallery. So that's typically where I start. So what I'm going to do is go over here under gallery, and I'm going to click on the wrench, bring me directly in here. Now it's going to be defaulted to be a default account. So go up and click on media library, and then you're going to go over here and you're going to say add photos. So directly from here, you're going to see this field where it says drop files in here to upload. So what I'm going to do is I have a folder that I pre-selected here, and I'm going to grab the images I need, and I'm just going to grab them all. I've got 20 photos, and I'm just going to grab them and drop them directly in here. And this is going to take a few moments to completely upload all of these images. Okay, so after a couple minutes of uploading all the images, now the images are in here. So I'm going to now say add to gallery. And I'm going to say update. And then this will take a moment, and this will now add all of our images. So now we can click save, and all of our images are directly in here. So I want to go back into the gallery for a second though. I'm going to click on the wrench. I'm going to say edit gallery. And from edit gallery, you can now go in here and you can drag and drop and reposition images based upon your order. And then just say update and then save. So that's if you want to actually edit your images, how they actually appear. So now that I have my gallery built, I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to look at the blue box around the main large image, click on the wrench, and then here inside the wrench, I'm going to go down and the background is a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace. So right from here, I want to... let's go ahead and choose this photo. And there's the image. I'm going to click save. And from here, depending on the image, but if we go back in here into the settings, we can now take a look at, we've got an overlay color. So right now I'm using a darker overlay. So I can either change that to be a little bit darker or take it completely out. I can also go in and change the color. So based upon what kind of color we want, let's say we want a purplish tinge, I can now click save. So you have full control over that area and element as well. All right, so as we keep on going, we click on the details. Now we can change the information from here. And if you don't want this to be green, you can go over and it's going to be right here under your style, and you can change the secondary title to whatever color you like. When we're done, we're going to click save, but let me go ahead and let me grab some of my content that I already have so we can just take a look to see what that really looks like. So we come in here, we change the price, and let's change this to $5.97. And I'm going to say save. I'm going to come back in. I'm going to highlight all the copy. I'm going to paste all the new copy directly in there. And if I actually want to, I can come in here under the description. That's what this is here. And I can say custom. And if I just change the font to be 22, click save. Now here under amenities, we have it built out. So we have this little fancy feature. So we have 3 columns here, 1, 2, and 3. So from here, I can click on large kitchen. Let me move this over so we can actually see this. So actually the way that this actually built out, where every one of these is an individual item. So if you want more items, you can go ahead and we can just click this, which actually adds other elements, and then you just have to click edit and drop that in. Now if you don't want to actually add all of those, which I understand, let me show you a secondary way to do this. So if you come in here under the plus, you come back to your rows, you grab 2 columns or 1 column, whatever you want to do. And now it's going to add 2 areas. From the modules, we're going to come over here and grab the text editor from the side. And here under the text editor, I'm going to grab the features that we already have for this property. And I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to paste them in. And here under interior features, I'm going to bold that. And I'm going to click save. Then on the other side, I have some more features that I want to post. So I'm going to click on the plus, go ahead and click on the text editor, drag that over, paste those features in, highlight it, bold that, and go ahead and click save. So that's a different way of doing it. And then you don't want these in here. So we've got a few features. This is your move. This is your edit. And if we don't want it, we just click on the X. So on any part of building these, you can actually delete elements and add elements just with a click of a button. And now we have amenities, the amenities I want in there. We've edited the background image. We've added the content. We've added the amenities. Now we've added the gallery. And let's go in here and let's say we don't have here under the template, we don't have a video, but we have a virtual tour we want to link to. So what I have here, I actually loaded that in here, but we can go over here into our templates, and if we go to our content layout, we can see the virtual tour. So we're going to click on it. Now you want to be very careful. You want to append new layout, which means it's going to completely add it to the bottom. So we're going to see, here it is. We're going to grab it and we're going to drag it up to where we want. And we're going to drop it in that row there. And we're going to go up to the other video up here and we're going to delete that section. Inside here, we're going to click on the wrench. And here on the wrench, we're going to go down and we're going to replace the image with one of our images. We're going to click Save. And then here under the View Virtual Tour, we're going to drop in the hyperlink right from there. That's how simple that can be. All right. Now when we're done, we're going to click Save. But we're going to now keep on going. And so here, I'm going to now click on Presented By, and we're going to put your image in here. So I'm going to upload another image. And then I'm going to select the image. All right. So we're going to go in here and we're going to change the size of the pirate. And we're going to crop it. And then here under Real Estate Team, I'm going to paste my copy in here. Pirate Realty. And I've got an address and then a phone number. And I'm going to want to make sure my phone number takes. And I'm going to click Save. Now, this image is a little large. So let me see if I can adjust it. There we go. Okay, so change the different sizes in there. And then we've got the social media icons in there. We can actually change right from there if we want to go ahead and do that. If we don't want it in there, we're going to take out the little pound sign and it's going to actually remove that. Next, we're going to go over to our Get in Touch form. And right from our Get in Touch form, we're going to add your email address directly right in there. And you're going to click Save. Okay. So when you're done, save it. And then last part of this is to go over here and click on the wrench under the map. And we are going to put in the address of the property. And then we're good. So what we've done is we've edited everything. I'm going to click Done and Publish. Remember, save often. If you don't like it, that way if you've saved often, you can come back in and you can make your quick edits. All right, so I'm going to show you one other thing because I kind of jumped right through it. But let's say you do actually have a video virtual tour. So we're going to click on the plus, we're going to click on templates, and we're going to go back to that Pine Way, and we're going to append So from here, I've just now added all those other elements, but I don't want the elements. So make sure you're hovering over the right box and just go ahead and X out of those elements. And then actually the little secret here is if there's different features of different themes in here, you can go ahead and swap those out right from there. And then right from there, we can grab the video. And all you need to do is go to your video code. So if we're here under the video code, and you click on the share, and then you go to embed. I actually take off show suggested, and I take off show title, so only show player controls is all I want. I'm just going to click copy there, and go back over, highlight, and then paste that directly in. Click save. Let's say we want to use this. Just drag it directly above. So from there, let's say we want them both. Well, that's not a problem. So that's how simple it is to build out a single property website. When we're done, we'll click done, publish. If we don't like it, we click discard. And then we're going to test everything out. Make sure everything is functioning the way it should. All right. Those are all functioning correctly. Last thing you want to do is you want to actually then test out the form. Make sure you're getting the form. There's sometimes some conflicts, but you want to make sure you're getting that form. And you're ready to go. So have fun with your single property website. And I'm Jason. Thanks for watching this detailed video.